Today I am reading the medicine cyclamen. Cyclamen is the remedy of the plant kingdom. The situation of cyclamen is that of woman who feels that she has done something wrong or that she hasn't done her duty and something bad has occurred as a result. She feels solely responsible for what has happened and feel like a criminal. She cannot reveal the crime to anyone, keeps everything within herself, and tries to rectify things as much as possible. She avoids all social contacts, does not talk to anyone, and feels totally alone. The following case may help give a clear picture of the cyclamen. The case is the patient was a woman, age of 45 years. She had a successful career as an assistant manager in a big company in Bombay, where she had working for the past 15 years. Her complaint was very bad eczema on both her leg and oozing and painful for 2 or 3 months. She was completely disabled, could not go anywhere and had to stay home. On asking her for the possible reason for the eczema, she replied that it could be the psychological. She shared that there was some family problem. She was reluctant to reveal any more detail. So I asked her about her dream and she said, I get recurrent dreams of stools, of passing stools, or just stool lying around. While saying this, she never looked straight to me. She was looking from side to side. Her eyes were moving quietly, rapidly. Then I said, tell me about the dream of stool. And she said, okay, doctor, I will tell you the problem. I have a son who is mentally retarded and who gets convulsion. Every time he gets convulsion, I get the dream of stool. During pregnancy, I had a dream that there are lots of stool and the head of the child was coming out from them. Somebody, God knows, who was trying to push the head back. At that time, I knew the child was not going to be okay. When she was saying this, her eyes were moving quickly. She added in almost whisper sound, I feel I could have avoided it. I could have done something wrong. During her 15 years in the office, she had never mentioned her son to anyone. She avoided all social contacts, never went to parties or out on holidays. Even though she was entitled to holidays, she was very efficient at her work. She felt solely responsible for looking after the child, even though her husband was helpful. As I understood the case, she felt guilty about the child. She felt she knew he would not be normal and could have done something wrong during the pregnancy. She felt solely responsible for his condition. The feeling behind the dreams was that the child is suffering because it is immersed in her own feces. She felt like a criminal. Hence, the movement of the eyeballs like a criminal. She felt completely alone because it was her fault. In symbolic language, the child was drowning in her own shit. His suffering was due to her dirtiness. She could not reveal her crime to anyone and had to keep quiet and alone for the quiet and alone for her crime. No one knows her crime. Fatak Materia Medica sum up is in 3 words: terror of conscience. Fatak's Materia Medica sums it up with the 3 words: terrors of conscience. Yes, this is the what whole story is saying. The rubric of the case were grief undemonstrative, anxiety of conscience as if guilty of the crime, anxiety about the future, company aversion to, delusion she has done wrong, delusion she is criminal, delusion she had neglected her duty, talk indisposed to, desire to be silent, taciturn, going out, aversion to. Other rubrics are delusion deserted, reproach himself, reserved, and cant rubric are desire lemonade. This is all about cyclamen, and another medicine is Drosera. Drosera is a tubercular remedy. I'm not sure if it should be classified as belong to the plant or animal kingdom, because Drosera has not only the sensitivity and reactivity common to the remedies of plant kingdom, but also the persecuted feeling, violence, and aggression of animal remedies. So combination of plant and animal. Drosera is a carnivorous plant, a plant having almost like an animal. I think it is difficult to obtain this plant without an insect trapped inside it. And this may be the part of the remedy possessed or remedy prepared from that part. The main feeling of the Drosera is that of being persecuted, deceived, trapped, choked, and killed. The reaction is to be aggressive, violent, trying to get out, which is often not possible. The expression of Drosera is that even small irritations can get the patient into the tremendous outbursts of the rage mentioned under the delusion, being deceived along with outbursts of the rage and inner feeling of being harassed, cheated, and deceived. Draw. I am again reading the same line. The expression of Drosera is that of even a small irritation can get the patients into the tremendous outburst of the rage, and the inner feeling is of being harassed, cheated, and deceived. They are suspicious. Fatak Materia Medica mentions the fear being alone and its suspiciousness of to the friends. Imagine being deceived by spiteful, envious people. In the Fatak repertory, Drosera is mentioned under the delusion being deceived, along with the Ruta. Means Ruta has the same feeling. Hahnemann Materia Medica Pura shows the following symptoms under the Drosera are all days long uneasiness of disposition and anxiety, full of mistrust, as if he had to do with none of but false people, silent and reserved. With the anxiety, he always fear he was about to learn something disagreeable. Anxiety as if his anxiety as if his enemies would not leave him quite, envy and persecuted him. He is sad and dejected about the ill of the life, which people cause one another and himself, respecting which he is anxious and concerned. At the same time, want of appetite. I'm reading again because it there is a no comma and full stop there. He is sad and dejected about the ill of life, which people cause one another and himself, respecting which he is anxious and concerned, at the same time want of appetite. Thus, the theme of the Drosa is that of being stabbed in the back, of being deceived by the own family, friends, and yet at the same time there is a great dependence on them. The main theme of Drosera is this: there is a feeling of weakness due to which he is dependent, but at the same time he feels his weakness is being taken advantage of. This is a typical tubercular feeling. Drosera feels harassed by others, let down by his own friends. Drosera reacts to the oppression violently. In a rage, he becomes loud, shrieking, and violent. Drosera also has a suicidal inclination. The Drosera cough too is described as a harassing by Fatak, and it is accompanied by the irritation, violent, paroxysmal. The rubrics are anger trifles at, anger violent, complete desired for, delusion persecuted, delusion persecuted he is, delusion vexation and offense of, fear alone of being, suicidal disposition, suspicious, mistrustful, violent and vehement, rage, fury, and can't say cough attacks follow one another quickly. Fatak says does aggravate imaginations being deceived. This is all about Drosera. Thank you for listening.